Namaste everyone. Welcome to Shvasa. Today we'll be doing a beginner's class. Just respect your body and do as much as the body allows, and remember to flow with your breath. We'll begin in a seated Vajrasana at the end of your mats, buttocks and heels touching each other, knees together, toes relaxed. If this is uncomfortable for you, feel free to release the legs and sit in any cross-leg posture. Rest your palms on your thighs. Keep the spine straight, roll the shoulders back, close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Awareness to your body. Observe your entire body, all the way from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Observe the contact of your buttocks with your heels. Awareness to your entire spine, your lower back, your mid back, your upper back. And finally, awareness to your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Place your right palm on your abdomen. As you breathe in, your abdomen rises up. As you breathe out, abdomen into your spine. As you breathe in, abdomen rises up. As you breathe out, abdomen into your spine. Few more rounds. Inhale, abdomen up. Exhale, abdomen down. Inhale, abdomen up. Exhale, abdomen down. Few more rounds on your own. Inhale, abdomen up. Exhale, abdomen down. Few more rounds on your own. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Exhale out completely. Chin to the chest. Gentle blink. Open your eyes. Continue to be seated here. Take your palms to the sides. Fingers facing up, palms facing up. As you inhale, stretch your hands up, palms together, look at your thumb. Lengthen the sides, lengthen up. As you exhale, elbows together, chin to the chest, drop the head down. Two more times, hands from the sides, inhale, lengthen, look up. Exhale, elbows together, chin to the chest, drop the head. Last one more time, inhale, hands from the sides, lengthen up. Stretch the sides of the body. Exhale, elbows together, chin to the chest. Very nice. Release. From here, step the palms forward, slightly forward, ahead of your shoulders. From here, start to drop your hips down. Relax the toes out. Roll the shoulders back. Push the chest forward. As you exhale, move back. Don't move your palms. Buttocks to the heels. Lengthen the body. Straighten out your arms. Two more times. Inhale, lift yourself up, drop the hips down, roll the shoulders back, chest forward, up dog. Exhale without moving the palms, buttocks to the heels, rest in child's pose. One more time. Inhale, come forward, up dog. Now this time, tuck the toes in, lift your hips up and go to down dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Your knees are slightly soft. Keeping the knees soft, press into the palm, lift your hips up and bring the stomach closer towards your thighs. Breathe in, breathe out. Now from here, staying there, straighten out the knees, get the heels down and feel the stretch at the back of the legs. Connect with the back of the legs. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more, bend your knees, bring the stomach closer towards the sides. Feel the stretch in your entire back. Lengthen the side of the body. As you exhale, drop the heels down, stretch the back of the legs. One more time, knees bent. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, heels down. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more breaths. Press into those palms. Make sure your fingers are spread wide. Stay there. Now from here, inhale. Bring the right leg forward in between the palms. Place your left knee down. Relax the toes out. If you have any knee issue, feel free to cushion your knees. Now from here, inhale, come up and just place your hands on your hips. Keep sinking your hips down. Don't be here. Push the hips down and sink down. Make sure the knee and ankle is in one line. Don't let the knee go forward too much. Stay here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now from here, place the left palm down. As you inhale, stretch your right hand up. Either look up or look forward. If you're more comfortable, tuck the toe in and lift your left knee up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Exhale, place the right palm down. Take the right leg back to down dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. On the left side now, inhale, bring the left leg forward in between the palms. Place your right knee down, relax the toes. Inhale, stand up, hands on your hips. Remember, don't be too high. Try to move your hip down, especially your right hip is facing forward and is going down. Breathe in, breathe out. Now from here, place the right palm down. As you inhale, open your chest out and stretch the left hand up. Look at your fingertips. If your neck is hurting, look front or look down. If you're more comfortable, tuck the toe in. Inhale, lift the knee up. Keep the right leg active. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, left palm down. From here, as you inhale, step the leg forward and exhale, breathe out completely. As you inhale, take your hands from the sides, palms together. Inhale, slightly arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Knees are bent, stomach is closer towards your thighs. As you inhale, take the right leg back. Hold your breath. Left leg back to plank. Fingers are spread wide. Palms are under the shoulders. Keep the legs active. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, drop the knees down and try to drop your chest in between the palms. As you inhale, relax the toes. Lift your chest up. Cobra. Elbows pointing back, elbows closer to the body. Breathe in. Breathe out, relax your face. Tuck the toes in, lift your hips up and go to mountain. Option is to keep the knees soft. Press into the palms. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, bring the right leg forward in between the palms. Left knee down. Exhale, left leg forward. As you inhale, hands from the sides, push the hips forward. Gentle arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Same thing on the left side. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Hold your breath, right leg back. Exhale, knees down, chest in between the palms. Inhale, slide up, Cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes in, mountain. Inhale, bring the left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, hands from the sides, push the hips forward, slightly arch back. Last one more round. Exhale, fold forward. This round, try to connect with your breath. Inhale, stretch the right leg back. Hold your breath to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, push the hips forward, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. On the left side, inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath to plank. Exhale, knees down, chest in between the palms. Inhale, slide up, Cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, mountain. Inhale, bring the left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, hands rising up, push the hips forward, arch back. Exhale, hands next to the body. Very nice. Keep your feet slightly apart, fingers facing forward, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Observe the changes in your body, the changes in your breath. Take this time to bring your breathing back to normal and to connect with your breath again. Slow and deep breaths. As you exhale out, chin to the chest, blink, open your eyes, feet together.